Hello everyone, this is Adrian from First Thinkers. This is a tutorial on how to get your Easter phonics or math lesson into Seesaw. So the first thing you will do is you will take that link and you will download your copy from Google Drive into your Google Drive. Once you have that, I will be using this tutorial copy. So this would be the file that I downloaded. So I'm going to right click it. I'm going to click on share. I'm going to go into advanced on the bottom right. Right here, I'm going to hit change so that's not private anymore. And I'm going to make it that it's only on link within my domain. So like within your district, this will be important so that you're not sending it out to someone outside of your district can't access it. Go ahead and click save. Then once you're done with that, we need to make a copy of it. So I'm going to right click that, click copy. All right, now that I have that copy, I'm ready to go now onto Seesaw. So go to Seesaw now. In your dashboard, go ahead and click add to assign an activity. I'm going to say create activity. All right, I'm going to call this addition within 20. For my students, I'm going to say click on the file to make a copy. Drag and drop the numbers to show your sum. Okay, now that I have that, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click to add multimedia instructions or example. Now, instead of going to upload, you will click on link. So click on link. Now, you will paste that link, that sharing link. Now, this is the really important part. You got to delete the edit $USP equals sharing. Delete that all the way until you get to that /. Okay, so now I'm at that /. Now I'm going to click copy it. I'm going to put copy instead, okay? This will make it so all of your students will they'll have a copy made in their Google Drive when they click on that link. Since this is a movable product, if you don't have it make a copy, it'll move your copy, and so it'll be like they're collaborating on moving it, so it just won't be good. So make sure you make the students have their own copy. And now on here it's saying, are you sure you want to do that? What about you add the file from Google Drive? You want to click continue. You do not want to do this. So click continue. It's going to load the link. It's going to show the link as a sign-in for Google Drive. That's not a big deal. I mean, it's not going to show the picture of the activity, which is a little sad, but this will make it work, which is really important. That's what I want, is that it works. Okay, so now that we have that, we have everything we want. Go ahead and click save. Now here's our activity. We're going to assign it. So there's my classroom. I'm going to click add to the class. All right, so now it's added to my class. I'm going to hit back to class. So now this is what students will see. Now what students will have to do is they'll just click right there on the link. And now it says make a copy. So yep, the student will click make a copy. And now they have their own copy of the assignment. I'll lower down the comments just so it makes it bigger. Okay, so now they can come here and they can start dragging and dropping onto their work. And this will all save in their own Google Drive, and so you can go check their Google Drives and see how they did. If you have any questions, just let me know at customer service at firstthinkers.com. My name is Adrian. Thank you so much for viewing this tutorial, and I hope you have a good day.